Hello, in this video lecture, we are talking about forms of signaling. Introduction. Living organism controls and coordinates their activity through complex chemical signals. In multicellular organism, adjacent cells communicate through plasmodesmata and gap junction, but a cell can communicate distant cells by releasing variety of signals. What are hormones? Hormones are organic compounds naturally secreted at low concentration by endocrine cells. Hormones are also called chemical messengers, information molecules, or endocrine signals. The hormones in general are stimulatory in action. The hormones having inhibitory actions are called channels. Autocrine signaling. In autocrine signaling, a cell signals to itself, releasing a ligand that binds to receptor on its own surface. From a medical standpoint, autocrine signaling is important in cancer and it's thought to play a key role in metastasis. In many cases, a signal have both autocrine and paracrine effects. Paracrine signaling. Often cells that are near one another communicate through the release of chemical messengers. This type of signaling, in which cell communicates over relatively short distances, is known as paracrine signaling. Paracrine signaling allows cells to locally coordinate activities with their neighbors. Endocrine signaling. When cell needs to transmit signal over long distances, they often use the circulatory system as a distribution network for the message they send. A long distance endocrine signaling signals are produced by specialized cell and released into the bloodstream, which carries them to target cells in distant parts of the body. In humans, endocrine glands that release hormones include the thyroid, the hypothalamus and pituitary, as well as gonads, testes and ovaries, and the pancreas. Each endocrine gland releases one or more types of hormones, many of which are master regulators of development and physiology. Synaptic signaling. One unique example of paracrine signaling is synaptic signaling, in which nerve cells transmit signals. This process is named for the synapses, the junction between two nerve cells where signals transmission occur. When the sending neurons fires and electric impulses moves rapidly through the cell. Synaptic signaling is weakly cross the small gap between the nerve cell. When the neurotransmitter arrive at the receiving cell, they bind to receptors and cause a chemical changes inside of the cell